Welcome once again. So today we are going to talk about the Excel errors which are common these days. So we are going to talk about five, five of them. Yeah. Let me open my Microsoft Excel. So this is the information we are going to use for today. And then our first error will be the hash error. So let us use this column as an example. You see now these cells are actually some are a bit bigger. They can accommodate these numbers. So our first error will be the hash error. So let us drag and decrease the size of our cells of this column for cells. You will see that it's bringing hash error. That indicates like the column is too small to accommodate actually the numbers which are in there. So let us try again to drag and increase the size. You can see now it has gone to its normal size. So another thing which we are going to look at is the hash value error. So the hash value error comes when like you have typed, let me say, words, and that specific function does not accept words. Let me say like, let us use this cell. We say equals this cell b2 minus c2. So you can see it will bring us the answer. And now let us drag down. Let us drag down. You can see it has brought for you the answers. But now these empty cells which you're seeing, they indicate a zero. So we are going to fix here a word and we see. Let us put the word missing, and inside you'll see that it has brought the hash value error, meaning that the function which is used here does not support words. So let us go again and then we put the function of sum equals sum of C2 to, and then we close. You can see it has brought you the answer. Let us drag down and we see. You can see now the error uh, has gone off just because like the sum function allows putting in words. So another third error we are going to see is the spell error. So spell, it allows you to spell your, let me say we are going to use the column of cells. So you can be able to spell those numbers of cells column, let me say in F column, if there is no word written in any of the cells of F. So if there is a word in the F column, that means it will bring that hash spell error. But now here we are going to use that function of unique. So let us see. Let me write the word here. Let me say water. But now remember we are going to spell our numbers. The ones in the B column, so equals unique. Let us select the numbers and then press enter. It will bring spell just because like there is a word which is in that column. That's why it brings the spell error. So let us try again. Let us first remove the word water and then we go back. You can see that it has spelled the numbers. Now another error we are going to look at is the name error. You can realize that there are certain functions which are not in the Microsoft Excel. Let me say, let us try to sum up these numbers. Was add. Let me use add. Like from one. Sorry. Let me do it again. Equals add. Let me say okay, let me drag these ones from B3 to B7. Let me add those ones, then we close, then we enter. So when I drag to the right, I think you can see that is the hash name error, just because the function doesn't know add function in the Microsoft Excel. So let us try to put some and we see. So you can see here it has brought the numbers just because now we have used a function which Excel understands. So another thing is the ref error. Let us say here we had already added these ones, but now we are going to decide to delete this C. So when we delete this C column, you'll be able to see the hash ref error. Let us try it actually. We are going to delete the C column. Sorry. So maybe let us try here. We put another, let me say equals sum C2 B2 to, then we close, so I drag down, then after I delete this, we shall delete this one. So it has brought ref. That means we have deleted one of the column which we are supposed to use. So that is our fifth error in Excel. So subscribe, don't forget to comment. Remember, your comment helps us to make adjustments in other videos which you have to make, and don't forget to like. Thank you.